Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Executing failed test cases in Selenium WebDriver is a common requirement. This can be particularly useful in continuous integration (CI) environments where you may want to rerun tests that have previously failed without rerunning the entire test suite. Below is a tutorial that outlines how to achieve this using testng, a popular testing framework for Java. Tutorial: Executing failed test cases in Selenium WebDriver with testng. Prerequisites: Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on your machine. Maven for project management, optional but recommended. Selenium WebDriver library. Testng library. An IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA. Step 1. Setting up your project. 1. Create a Maven project, if using Maven. 2. Add dependencies to your pom.xml file. 3. Update Maven to download the dependencies. Step 2. Create a test class. Create a Java class for your tests. Here's an example of a simple test case. Step 3. Create a suite XML file. Create a testng.xml file to define your test suite. Step 4. Implement the retry mechanism. To execute failed test cases, we need to implement a retry mechanism. Create a class that implements the iRetry analyzer interface. Step 5. Annotate your tests with the retry analyzer. You need to modify your test methods to use the retry analyzer class. Step 6. Run your tests. You can run your tests using the following command in the terminal or directly through your IDE. Or through your IDE by right-clicking on the testng.xml file and selecting Run. Summary. In this tutorial, we set up a Selenium WebDriver project with testng, created test cases, and implemented a retry mechanism for failed tests. The retry analyzer class allows you to specify how many times you want to retry failed tests. By annotating your test methods with retry analyzer equals retryanalyzer.class, you enable this functionality. You can further enhance this mechanism by logging the results or integrating with CI/CD tools for automated testing.